Hi, welcome to the lesson Bank Reconciliations. The purpose of bank reconciliation is to reconcile the bank account balance and general ledger balance to the true cash balance. This helps to identify any kind of errors that may have occurred both the books or in the bank. It establishes the correct ending balance that's reported on the balance sheet. It also provides information for the journal entries that we have to make to get to that balance on the balance sheet. It also reduces the risk of theft because it is an independent reconciliation to make sure that the cash is being accounted for properly. There are three methods for bank reconciliation. 1. Bank to book. Number 2. Book to bank. Number 3. Bank and book to true balance. 1. Bank to book. The starting point is the balance as per bank. All the adjustments are made to this balance to arrive at the balance per book. Means we are taking the bank balance and we are making some adjustments and finding the balance as per book. Number 2 is book to bank. The starting point is the balance as per book. All the adjustments we are going to make to arrive the balance as per bank.